Welcome, fellow cosmic explorers, to a journey that delves into the most enigmatic and mind-boggling phenomena of our universe, black holes. Today, we're venturing into the depths of space to unravel the mysteries behind these captivating cosmic whirlpools. Buckle up and get ready to be immersed in the captivating world of black holes. Imagine this: a star so massive that its own gravity causes it to collapse in on itself, creating a gravitational pull so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. This extraordinary phenomenon gives birth to one of the most intriguing cosmic entities known to humanity, a black hole. At the heart of every black hole lies an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Cross this threshold, and you're trapped forever in the gravitational grip of the black hole. It's like a point of no return, where the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. But what makes black holes truly mind-bending is their effect on space-time. Their immense gravity warps the fabric of the universe, creating ripples that we call gravitational waves. These ripples were predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity and were finally observed by advanced detectors here on Earth. When matter gets too close to a black hole, it enters a cosmic dance known as an accretion disk. Imagine material spiraling around the black hole at near light speed, heating up and emitting X-rays that we can detect from billions of light years away. It's like nature's grand fireworks show. But wait, even though black holes seem to swallow everything, they might not be totally silent. Thanks to the genius of Stephen Hawking, we know about something called Hawking radiation. This theoretical process suggests that black holes can emit tiny particles over time, eventually causing them to evaporate away. It's like a cosmic whisper in the void. Now, prepare to be awed by the powerful collisions of black holes. As galaxies collide and stars are ripped apart, black holes can merge, sending shockwaves through space-time and creating phenomena so energetic that we can detect them as gravitational wave signals. It's a cosmic dance that reveals the hidden dramas of our universe. And if we're talking about black holes, we can't forget about wormholes, theoretical shortcuts through space-time that could potentially connect distant parts of the universe. While they remain speculative, the idea of traversing the cosmos through these cosmic tunnels is a tantalizing prospect for future explorers. And there you have it, a glimpse into the mind-blowing mysteries of black holes. These cosmic enigmas continue to stretch the limits of our understanding and ignite our curiosity about the nature of the universe. As we ponder these cosmic marvels, let's remember that every black hole holds the potential to reveal profound truths about the fabric of reality. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey into the heart of black holes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of space enthusiasts. Until next time.